Asphalt mixture solvent extraction proficiency samples 99 and 100 are currently being processed and packaged for shipping. The samples will be shipped to you on October 19th, 2023. Upon receipt, carefully open the boxes and check to see if the samples were damaged in shipment or if they are missing a component. For solvent extraction rounds 99 and 100, there will be two pre-mixed asphalt bricks in the sample box. One is labeled Sample A, which corresponds to Sample 99, and the other is labeled Sample B, which corresponds to Sample 100. Please treat these samples as you would treat typical testing samples that were brought into your laboratory. Upon receipt, assume the samples are moisture-free as received, and the mass of each of these asphalt bricks and any residual pieces of mixture should weigh between 2,420 grams and 2,480 grams. If your samples are outside of this range, please contact us immediately. The closing date for data submittal for this round is December 14th, 2023. All AASHTO accredited laboratories must test the samples for each method that fall under the laboratory scope of accreditation. For specific requirements, please review the accreditation policy on PSP participation, which can be found on the AASHTO accreditation documents page on the AASHTO resource website. Finally, all pertinent information such as sample instructions, datasheets, and safety datasheets can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the Datasheets and Instructions page. Thank you for your continued commitment to quality, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.